If you're wondering how you can check the warranty on your Galaxy A17, so in this video I will show you the exact process on how to do that. First of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just open the Samsung website of your country. Then tap on the chat bubble over here. On this screen, just tap on promotion and discount. Now just enter your information in this section. First of all, just enter your first name. Then in this section, just enter your last name. After that, in the email section, just enter your email address. After you enter your email address, in the phone number section, just enter your phone number. After that, just select I have read and agreed to the privacy policy. Then tap on submit. Select speak with expert. Now as you can see, they're asking us to wait for a moment for them to connect us to an expert. As you can see, they have replied. Now just type, I want to check the warranty of my Samsung phone. Then tap on send. After you do that, then go to your home screen and open settings. From here, just tap on about phone. Then tap and hold on the IMEI number to copy it. After you copy the IMEI number, then go back to the website and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now just type, this is my IMEI number. Now just wait for a moment for them to reply. As you can see, they have replied. And as you can see, they have sent us the warranty start date of our Samsung phone. Now to check the warranty end date, just type this. Now after you type that you want to check the warranty end date too, then tap on send. Now just wait for a moment. Now as you can see, they have replied and they have sent us the warranty end date. And as you can see, the warranty start date of our Samsung phone is the 13th of November 2025. And the warranty end date of our Samsung phone is the 13th of November 2026. And this is how you can check the warranty of the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.